everyone, so today I have got a mystery box or a mystery bag video. So in this video I have got a Made by Mitchell mystery bag. This is on Beauty Bay's website for £25. Supposedly it's worth over 100 or 50, I can't remember, I've got a memory like a fish. But you're getting 6 products in this bag, and anyway, so I'm really quite excited about it. I have no Made by Mitchell beauty product, but it does feel quite small, so we'll see. But it was £24.95, so it was £24, but close at the 25, I suppose. But let's just get into it anyways. So supposedly 6 products. Let's see whether it's worth it. Maybe your viewers are interested in it. So the first thing we've got here, a swirl kit. It says swirl solution and a 12-inch brush. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe it says a mixer, medium and a liner brush. So this probably isn't for me at all, because I quite like the liner brush though for nail art. So this must be the mixer medium for like colour pigments that they have, and then this is the brush. But I think I would maybe use this brush for nail art. I quite like the look of that. But then I haven't got anything like these in my collection, so they might come in handy, but I don't know. You know, I'm not sure. And I don't know the prices of this stuff because I've never bought anything from Made by Mitchell. So next we've got a brush, and it is a MF4 brush. Oh, this feels lovely. I think this might be used with his liquid blushers. It feels really nice. Actually really nice. One of the nicer brushes that I've ever felt, to be honest. I'm not so sure I like the colours, but this is his colour scheme. This is like the colour schemes he has on all of his stuff, I think. We have got another brush. So up to now, me, this isn't the most exciting. We have got an MF2. Oh, I like this brush. I think this would be really nice for under your eyes, like setting underneath your eyes. Oh, I quite like that one, yeah. Yeah, that is one I'm excited about. But again, just not the biggest fan of the colour. Right, so we've got 1, 2, 3. We're on 3 products there. But kind of the first thing, you've got 2 in one packet. So we have got a blush. So we have got one of the liquid brushes, which I'm quite excited about. This is in the shade Strawberry Cream. Let's see what it looks like. I hope it's a nice shade. Oh, it looks quite nice. It's a very pale pink. Oh, I think that might work for me as well, because I am quite pale, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm quite excited. I'm excited to try it, see if I like it. And then we've got another liquid blusher, but I think this is more like a bronzer. It's, well, a big bronzer for me, in the shade Hello There. So I try these, and then now get ready, coming soon. So this is what it looks like. Should we have it open and see? It's very pale for a brown, but I think this would work for me. Oh, I'm gonna watch some videos on how people use these, because like I say, I have never tried them. And then we've got one more product. We have got On the Dance Floor Beam. This is a lip gloss. Oh, so this is more my street by the seams of it. This is like a sparkly looking lip gloss. Let's have a look. Oh, so it's just clear lip gloss. That's how I could try then. Oh, I like the texture. So I feel like the stem of this is quite short, and it doesn't really go right to the bottom. So I feel like when you use this a lot, you would have a lot of product at the bottom, in my opinion. But it's a nice thick texture. It's not too gloopy. I like that. I really like that. That is one product I'm very happy with. Overall, I'm actually on the fence. Like, I'm not majorly like impressed with this, if I'm being 100% honest. I'm happy that I've got one of the blushes and like a bronzer to try. And they're not like crazy pinkly purpley shades, because I was a bit nervous about that. These 3 products I'm quite happy with. It's the other 3 that I'm just like, I love getting brushes and stuff, but I'm very much stuck in my ways, and I want my brush to look pretty. Now, if you love the colour green, then yeah, and the brushes feel beautiful, but I'm just not the biggest, like, they don't aesthetically please my eye, which isn't everything, I know that, but in my opinion I want to be excited, and I don't know, but I'm going to try one of them. I just haven't decided. So yeah, and then you've got the other bit. I don't know. I suppose for £25, I don't know the retail values of these. It's not so bad, but it's not overly exciting, and I don't think I would get another one anytime soon. Yeah, but overall, nah. Yeah, that's my opinion. Yeah, not really a proper opinion, but yeah, that's kind of my 2 pence on it. It was alright. It was alright. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you like these type videos and you like mystery box unboxings, things like that, I do these type videos all the time, and I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!